Today we're gonna make chocolate chip zucchini bread. Look how delicious this looks. To get started on our chocolate chip zucchini bread, we're gonna first start with shredding some zucchini. So I have a zucchini here. We need about 2 cups of zucchini for this. Next, we're gonna get ready with our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. So for our dry ingredients here, we're gonna do 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So, you know, my kids like banana bread a lot, especially chocolate chip banana bread. So I'm gonna make this today, and I'm not gonna tell my kids that there's zucchini in it, and I'm curious to see what they think. So you guys leave me a comment on whether or not your kids would eat this at home, or if you've tried it at home, let me know if they like it. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in here. And so our dry ingredients are ready. We're gonna leave them aside. Put this over here. And next we have our wet ingredients. So we're gonna get started with, we have 2 eggs. So we'll put the 2 eggs there. We have 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So, 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna grab a whisk and whisk this together. So after we whisk this together, now we're gonna slowly start adding our dry ingredients to this. Oops. And I'm also going to add our zucchini. So I'm gonna measure that out because we said 2 cups of zucchini, shredded zucchini, and the water in the zucchini will be very helpful to get all of the dry ingredients to blend together. Add the rest of our dry, and we're gonna mix this. So fairly easy to make. You just have to blend all of these ingredients together. Grab the spatula, and I'm gonna fold in a cup of chocolate chip morsels. And that's it. We've got all our ingredients all in this beautiful bowl. And then I took a loaf pan here, sprayed the sides, sprayed the bottom, and we're gonna pour this mixture right into there. Now this is ready to go in the oven for about an hour, 350 degrees. For the full recipe of this delicious chocolate chip zucchini bread, visit nikkigluckus.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.